I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will see that how to add two numbers in C programming. So let's get started. So first of all, you will add libraries. So I am using Zini editor, so it will require a library which is the STDIO, standard input output header file. So I am just including it. STDIO.h. If you are using Turbo, so you have to use also a library which is Conio.h. But in Genie editor, you will just require STDIO.h, standard input output header file. Thereafter, in C programming, control starts from main function, which is the entry point of program. So int main, that means it will return an integer. To whom it will return? It will return to operating system. This is little bit advanced, but it returns value to or control to the operating system. It means Windows or Linux. But just understand that we are going to add two numbers. So what will you do? First of all, you have to declare or define that numbers. So just I am going to define that number. The first number A, 8. So see that what will happen in memory. So if you declare like this one, so in memory there would be a memory block having name A, and it will have some address, and value would be 8. The same way, if you create or define another variable, int b is equal to 4, so that will be memory a memory space would be created, name would be b, and 4 would be stored here. Again, another variable I am declaring, int c. See that here I am not defining by any value. So this is the definition of A, definition of B. A and B are defined, but C is declared because you are not assigning any value. So it means that there would be memory block C and nothing would be there. Now let us perform the operation. That means C is equal to A plus B and semicolon. Semicolon indicates that the line is terminated or statement is terminated. Basically, statement is terminated. Now what will happen in location of C? Location of C 12 will be stored, but you won't be able to see that. So you have to use print function. So print, basically printf function in C. I am using Python, so that's why it is in my mind, but you have to use printf, print function. So printf, inside you have to provide type of data you are going to print, that is called format string. So for an integer, because C would be integer, so you have to write %d. That means you are going to print an integer. Format of the data is very important. And here you will write C. So C is an integer and that would be printed on standard output screen. Now again I am writing return 0. So see that if you are beginner, so you do not need to think a lot about this statement, but if you are pro or you are advanced user or you have very good knowledge of programming, so this return returns the control to operating system, because if you are running a program, so operating system gives control to your program, and when your program is finished, your program returns control to operating system. But if you are beginner, so don't think about this statement, just think about statement from 4 to 8, from here to here, and later understand everything. So return 0. Again I am recalling that here A is defined, because you have declared and assigned a value, that's why A is defined. Here B is also defined. Now C is not defined, C is declared, that this is integer. And here format string. For a percentage, that means for integer. And return 0 means program returns control to OS, means operating system. So finally what will happen, 12 will be printed. So I am going to compile the program. You can see that here compilation finished successfully, that means there is no error. Thereafter again go build and execute the program. So see that here you have to also build the program and also make object. So in compiled language there is a lot of process you have to perform, thereafter execute. Now it will work. Let me clear the screen. So you can see that here 12, output is 12. So output is 12 here. That means program is working. So this was about how to add two numbers in C programming. In upcoming videos I will bring some more advanced concept. Thanks for watching the video.